So now we are ready for the next machine, and this one is the one that gives me the most trouble, because when you're on the end grain like this end or this end, it can rip it out, you break it, or it can jerk it and pull it, your hand into the blade. So this is the machine that can really hurt you if you're not careful. There is a guard. It goes over like that to protect you, but this, and it has for dust collection here, but I cannot use it with this because of the shape of the neck that I'm cutting. So I'm going to have to not use the guard, and I'm going to have to not use dust collection with it too. So I got to change this blade out. I'm going to try the other blade first. I need that wheel to ride on the blue part. There's a wheel right there, and these are the blades below, and I got to have them lined up just right. The last one I did, it broke. That's why I'm not going to be using this one. And you can see how it looks like it's kind of feathered there. That's where it caught it, and it threw it like that. And that's what you got to be careful. If you're in the wrong spot and it throws it, it can pull your hand into that blade, that spinning blade, and it spins really fast. Always unplug your machine when you're working on it or setting it up so you don't accidentally turn it on and hurt yourself. Also, you see it spins this way. There's an arrow show you it spins this way. You always want to go travel like this when it's spinning that way. Otherwise it'll pull. See, that's the hard part right there. Now for this end. See what it did? Dang at it. Fine. If you're open. Okay, so now it's cut to the same size. A couple of issues. I hope that's not going to be a problem. Okay, the template is off. I got a little chunk tore out right here. I don't know if you can see that, but I think it'll be okay for what I'm doing. I think this will be hidden. And I got that chunk right there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a V. I'm going to just probably take the sander and sand that and trim it up. That way I don't have to start all over. This will work. Now the next thing is I want to make it round on the bottom there, because it's got to be like this when I'm playing it. So it's got to be rounded here. So that is a totally different setup, which I got to fix that setup first and get everything set up. So that's all the video for right now, and I'll see you in the next part.